Hello guys, I'm Carlos and today we're gonna make a very delicious spring salad. It's gonna have some grapefruit and a honey and lime vinaigrette. So the first thing, we're gonna coat all our vegetables.
Shave the fennel bulb thinly. I'm using a mandolin for this. Don't discard the stems. You can use them for a sofrito, soups, or stocks. If you can find some yellow and pink beetroot, they will give a good crunch and will make your salad very colorful. Also, using bitter leaves like radicchio or red chicory will make your salads more interesting. If you wash your salad ingredients in an ice bath and let them rest there for about 25 minutes, just like with flowers, all the leaves and vegetables will become more alive and crisp. While that's happening, I'm gonna make the vinaigrette. 1 part honey, 2 parts lime juice, 3 parts olive oil. Season with salt and black pepper and emulsify with a hand blender. Done. Last thing is to get some nice grapefruit pieces. This will add more citrusy notes, sweetness, and bitterness. Spin the vegetables dry and build the salad. I'm making a family-style dish here. Dress the mix with the vinaigrette, add a pinch of salt, toss and taste, and finish with the grapefruit and tortilla chips.
Just look at that. Go and make it and tell me all about it.